Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a little vlog. We're gonna go ahead and hit the yard today. The junkyard, to be exact, is early in the morning. We'll go ahead and get the tools ready and head out. I think my boy Johan's pulling up. I don't know if Leo's coming or not. If you guys are wondering what that background is, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you guys can see que desmadre tienen this early in the morning. What they're doing is knocking down each and one of them, getting rid of the projects. They're gonna build a shopping center right there, some apartments, all that good stuff. But man, nomás quedan como like the front row. Ever since they got started with that shit, the city's been on my ass and the city's just been passing by, but nobody could park across the street because when they knock these suckers down, they don't want to be liable for anything hitting the cars or trucks, whatever you park across the street. So that's why the parking, as you see in the front, está todo vacío. And a little sneak peek on the SEMA build. I started putting the front ends together. The only thing I have to do on this side is cut the headlight bracket like I did on the driver's side. Check it out. All nice and cut. Headlights are in there. So I got to repeat the same process on the passenger side. Cut this headlight bracket so it can clear the intercooler pipes. Pero ahí va. And I did went ahead and hop on Facebook Marketplace and I found a front bumper as well. So the front end is now done and complete. Now the hood, I don't know if I'm gonna hit up my Primo Street Concept to see if he could clear the turbo and the blowout valve, because it is sitting kind of higher than the core support itself. But I got the tools ready. I'm gonna just wait for Johan. And the reason why we're going to the yard today is because I'm gonna be doing some modification to my crew cab. And then this is the front bumper that I got for the SEMA build. And honestly, I've been slacking on this build as well. I got lots of parts and a lot of upgrades coming up. And I got tired of seeing it just parked ever since the tranny gave out. For example, I do have to go ahead and cut the brackets, lower the bumper so we can install the bumper. So that will be up on upcoming videos. I low-key feel like those workers, I be waking up early in the morning, waiting for those compadres to pull up so they could go to work. But before they go to work, they stop at a gas station, un panecito, unos Red Bulls, un cafecito, and then they go to work, and then they get dropped off after the shift, and then they be doing that tanda stuff or the whatever it is called, like, I don't know what type of stuff that stuff is. I know what it is, but I don't know how to say it. Tanda or something. Bruh. Like they all pitch in money. Luego le toca un cabrón one week, otro cabrón the other week. I don't know what's the exact name. If you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below. But I'm currently right here waiting for my compa Johan to pull up. No sé si anda caminando or se me va a recoger en bici or como viene. But low key, I have my own trucks I could go in. Pero como mi compa quiere ir, no sé dónde anda. La neta, mi compa dijo que iba a llegar. But here's the catch. Nunca me dijo si va a llegar ahora, mañana, el año que viene, or what's the deal. So aquí sigo esperando como pendejo, neta. Pero hey, I'm usually at the yard at 7:40. So when it's 8 o'clock, I'm the first one there. And it's currently like 8:40. So I'm an hour late. Vamos, aquí ya llegó mi compa. Oh, he brought Dutch. Oh, fuga, Fiero Flash a trabajar. No, pues el compa trajo Dutch, so ahí se le perdona the lateness.
Hey, wait, dijo Ghost que si lo recojamos.
Is he ready?
Yeah, he woke up right now.
Fierro, let's go pick him up.
Arre.
Finally made it here to the junkyard. Shout out to Johan for the Dutch. And we also went to go pick up Chiquilín right here.
Me ha estado perdiendo por muchos videos, o ahora sí
He got lost with the pipe again.
No, es que me junté con el chulo a little bit too much. That's what happened.
He got lost in the pipe way. Check out this Tahoe right here. We just decided to park next to it. These Tahoes are getting low-key popular. I've been seeing a lot of people here in town in Vegas. They're buying them, fixing them up. For example, he went ahead and slapped on an HD bubble eye hood. He has the Z71 lower valance. You got a sunroof. Look at my Cocos. I don't even got that on my truck.
You don't know that somebody just came out with it, but it's surprising for it to be in LS.
And that last también. He got exhaust tips. I don't even have that. Or a Corvette emblem.
50 horsepower with the Corvette.
Hola, verga, honey, you gonna put this stuff in my truck?
Hey, the tools are on this side, way. On this side, in the back door. But yeah, we're gonna load up the tools, pay to get inside, and see what else we could find. We literally just got here to the new road that they put up today. I already got some good ass deals. So the tennis ball actually needs a whole new bezel, which is this one. My white NMBS needs a cover. And also went ahead and found these side mirrors as well, just the caps. And then right here we got 243 with TBSS, intake manifold complete. I don't know if Johan or Leo's gonna cop it or take it, but it's a good deal. What's he doing? Good 6.0 covers right here. What are you doing, Way?
Getting me a stolo, way.
Look, some speakers, Way.
I don't need speakers.
Has a key?
That's why I'm trying to
The
get
key?
the cylinder lock, way.
And it has the matching for the doors también, Way. You could just take the whole cylinder locks as well. So this is the new road that they put up. So we got a Tahoe right here, Cadillac Escalade, a Tahoe, all of this row right here. I think half is all new, no, Johan? So that's basically it. We're gonna see what else we find. But niggas be coming over here y nomás arrancan todo lo pendejo, neta. Y vergas. La verga, oye verga. So what we got to work with for today. Not bad, to be honest. One thing I am gonna say, you guys. If Vegas is hot like it is right now, imagine how hot hell is a la verga. Por eso pórtate bien, Johan. No, ya con ser eso, way, you're going straight to hell. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking all the lug nuts because I do have some wheels that I'm planning on putting on the NNBS, but that's gonna be for another video, so might as well take the lug nuts. And they're basically 10 cents. So that's currently what I'm doing right now. Taking the lug nuts. Y el compa Johan nomás la pasa como security. He's patrolling the whole yard, making sure everybody has their safety glasses and all that good stuff. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this one right here. Same deal. Remove the lug nuts. Y fierro flash. Look what I scored right here. Some chrome mirror caps with a puddle light in the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and take these for the NNBS. Some OEM chrome handles as well. Take this side, driver's side, and move over towards the passenger side. All this is coming home with me. Good deals right here at the Junkyard, low key and OEM. Can't complain. Somebody went ahead and got the seats, some parts from the center console, dash, all that good stuff. I'm just waiting for my compa Leo to pull up. Y que me traiga the cutters so I could go ahead and cut this. Córtale aquí, mijo, desde aquí.
Desde acá atrás, güey, para tener espacio. Chinga tu madre.
Hey, ahí está.
Hizo
OEM.
OEM with puddle lights, güey. With
Simón. Let me go ahead and
Sabe de eso, güey.
quitar el the other side para que también le moches ahí.
Y luego te mocho los huevos, los huevos también, ¿no?
Más a rato. Off camera.
Wee.
Cut that one right there.
Ahí estamos.
Está.
Let's go, fierro.
Let's go. I'm gonna just take the handles, Leo. Chrome handles. OEM. Mira. Ya mero cabo. It's just disconnecting these two little things right here. Y fierro flash. Time to head out, you guys. It is literally hot as balls. El compa ya se rozó. El compa aquí ya se cagó. I'm over here sweating. Estoy hasta rosado, ¿no, mijo? So we found some parts. I found a NMBS engine cover, Cadillac Escalade bezel. I found the chrome handles and the chrome mirrors for the NMBS as well. We got some lug nuts and some injector stuff. Johan got himself a radio. It's time to check out. I'm gonna see how much they want for these two pieces. If they're taxing, I'd rather just buy it new. Because low-key, they already cut the bezel for the radio. This end and that end. And it looks chopped. So let's see how much they want. If they want like 10 bucks, I'll take it. If they want more than 10 bucks, I'll break it in front of their face. Ah, ni pa ti, ni pa mi. Currently waiting in line, but it's fucking hot out here.
Ando rostizando los huevos, güey. ¿Quién
Y
quiere
sí.
huevos estrellados, güey? Para
There's only like 2 guys, uno que cobra la entrada y uno que cobra las partes to leave.
3 people called off, güey. They should have just put me in there, güey.
Fire those 3 people and hire Leo, no? We're here sitting in this little sombrita that I have right here porque está cabrón. Got what I needed. Not bad for OEM parts. 52 bucks, can't complain. Better than aftermarket, cheap stuff, no?
Eso sí, directamente de allá los compadres.
OEM, mirror caps for the NMBS, handles, injectors. Johan got his radio. He's gonna be bumping. Time to go back to the crib because it is hot out here. All right, chat, we're back from the yard. If you guys were wondering what did I get for the crew cab, I got these 2 door panel lights and these 2 connectors. You guys are wondering what I'm going to be doing. As you guys can see right here on the passenger side door, it does come with a light right here. But now when you come down to the rear passenger side, there's usually just a reflector right here with no light. It's just literally a red reflector. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna go ahead and do a conversion. That's why I got the pigtail and the light itself, and we're gonna make these run like OEM. So when the doors open, this should be turning on, and vice versa on the driver's side, same deal. On that door, when I open the door, it should turn on just like OEM. Now these 2 other connectors, one goes right here. On factory 03 to 06, they don't have this option of having a light right here like 99 to 02. So I got one for the passenger side and one for the driver's side, same deal. When the doors open, the light that goes connected to the socket under this hole should turn on like OEM, which is this socket right there, if you guys are probably wondering. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video, adding LED lights all around the vehicle, just like OEM. So when the doors open, all the lights turn on, just like how factory would. Now, if we go on my baby dually right here, I'll show you that 99 to 02 does have that option. And that's the light itself. Seems like it's already given out. But yeah, so basically 99 to 02 do come with that option. 03 to 06 don't. So you gotta go to the junkyard and pull them out from a 99 to 02. The socket, one's power and ground. And the way to activate it is you could use a signal from the door and then ground this off anywhere around a good ground source. So when you open your door, the lights will turn on. So that is exactly what we're gonna be doing. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, chat, there you have it. Check it out. We're at the rear courtesy lights installed, custom harness, like I mentioned, power and ground. The ground, I got it from right here. There's the ground. And then the power wire goes all the way through the rocker panel. Right here. I still have to zip tie and clean it all up. Goes through here. Here's our positive wire. Zip tie to the OEM harness. And there you have it. That's how to add the courtesy lights on the rear doors. For some reason, on crew cabs 03 to 06, they didn't come with courtesy lights. They come with reflectors. Now, I know on Tahoes and Escalades and Denali's, they do have lights on the rear doors, but when it comes down to the crew cab trucks, they do not have it. Now, the only thing left for me to do is repeat the same process on the remaining side, which is the driver's side. And I'm also going to install the floodlights under the dash, but there you have it. So let's go ahead and close the door, wait for them to turn off so you guys could see. Move this out the way. Wait for the dome light to turn off, which should be any minute now. Don't mind the headliner. We still have a lot of upgrades coming up to my crew cab, slowly but surely, but let's see. Let's wait for it to turn off. And then the light should turn off by itself. There you go. That one's off. And the one right there's off. Now when I open the door, on and on. There you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process on the driver's side. Put the door panels, all that good stuff. And then we also have a package that Last Fit went ahead and sent us for the crew cab. And I'm gonna go ahead and install them. And when it's nighttime, you guys are gonna see the before and the after. Pues ahí quedó la conversion of the courtesy lights on the rear doors. Also went ahead and added the sockets under the dash. So in order to wrap up today's video, big shout out to Last Fit that went ahead and sent over a care package for the crew cab. As you guys can see right there, I still haven't opened it. Let's go ahead and open this puppy up real quick so we could check what's inside. Time to remove all these crusty yellow lights. Parecen las luces de la casa de mi abuela. All nasty yellow amber, ni que fuera rock lights or amber lights. But big shout out to Last Fit, like I mentioned, they went ahead and sent over all the lights for the crew cab. So let's go ahead and replace all these. So now that it's night, finally the noche, I can reveal how the lights look. Once again, big shout out to Last Fit. Don't forget to use my discount code at checkout. But we did all the lights from the crew cab, all the interior lights from top to bottom, you name it. Let's go ahead and open it up. As you guys can see, ya es de noche. Ya en esta hora ya está saliendo la llorona. Check that out. No cap. Look at that. We got the rear courtesy lights. Dome lights, top to bottom. Check it out. No hay truco, no hay fallas. Look at that. Added the bottom lights as well. Bright, driver's side, the top, you name it. Let me go ahead and open up the driver's side so you guys can check it out as well. Give you guys a full product review. Look at that. Bright as well. Driver's side. Same deal. Once again, big shout out to the company that I trust, Last Fit. If you lose anything in my truck, best believe with these lights, you're gonna find it. And yes, all the lights work like OEM. Once all the doors are closed, everything turns off by itself. You can literally see inside with tinted windows. Check it out. Look at that, everything turned off, everything's dimming, boom. Yeah, quedó. But that being said, you guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was useful. If you guys try and do this conversion on your 03 to 07 Classic GMC Sierra Crew Cab or Chevy Silverado Crew Cab, that's the way to do it. Go to the junkyard, get you everything you need, the lights, the connectors, under the dash, those two connectors as well, and you can do this at your home. Literally took us one day to do and to complete. With that being said, make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Make sure to check out Last Fit. Make sure to use my discount code, JohnnyLSX. Peace.